Alright, this is a demonstration on how to program a UDAC2 to a 3030. I'm try to do this from start to finish. So now this is Verifier Tools 8.3. First off, what you need to do is upload the 3030. So we're going to plug it in here. Maybe I should just leave it here. I think everybody knows how to upload. So you're going to go to your local network after you got it plugged into the 3030. Hit your local network, and it comes up here to online sessions. What you're going to do then is you're going to double click, put in your passcode, get in, and then what you always want to do is upload the panel. So always upload the database. Use existing. I had one already created. This is OMC. And then you're going to do an upload. Do you want to overwrite? Yes. This video might have to be a two-part video here. I don't know if my battery's gonna last. Okay, it says it's good. And then you want to open the project. Over here on the other side, I got the UDAC2. It's a 2.0 in my 3030. So basically, you have to have these two on the same node. So your UDAC and your 3030 have to be on the same node. To create a node, what you would do is just right click, and then you would add node if you wanted to add another one down to here. You just click this, and then it's going to ask you, if it's a UDAC, be the same node address. If it's an NCA, obviously you'd put it at a different address. These are the other things that you can network together. We are going to be doing a UDAC2, so this is the UDAC2. But since I already got it, I don't need to add another one. So back here in programming, say you want to program a detector. I'll try to make this as easy as possible. Let's say we want to program detector 100, and it's just going to be 100. I got these zoned out. It's going to be zone 1. We're going to make this a lower level smoke. Okay. And then let's go to loop 1 module. Hopefully 100's open. It is. And we're gonna make this a pull station, manual pull station. And so we're going to make this zone, I believe it's 2, which should be lower level. No, sorry, 3. There, zone 3 is lower level pull stations. So now you need to go into your ACS mapping, and because this has got so many points on it, you can do either point by point or zone by zone. So what we did here is we did zone by zone. Your first ACS will be a UDAC, so it's telling it what to look for, and then followed by a 64-point ACS. So what it's doing is the UDAC is looking at those points to see if they're in trouble, or if it's a relay that's turned, just to notify us. So what we're gonna do is, again, try to make this as easy as I can. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna monitor. So this is ACS. We're in the group ACS2. Okay, the ACS board 2. 0.9, and we're gonna monitor loop 1. Sorry about that. Loop 1 detector 100. So now it's going to go out there and look. That UDAC's going to look at that point, and it's going to monitor it. And then we're going to do the same here for that module. So it's going to be loop 1 module 100. And then what we do is just save that. And then we are going to go into your, yes, we want to save. Well, we're going to go into our other ACS board, which is 2, and it was 0.9. So what we do is we change this to a smoke, because 100 was a smoke. Okay, and then, oh, I'm sorry, fire alarm. It was 0.10 was the smoke, and 0.11 is the pull station. So now what it's doing is the UDAC, we're in the UDAC programming, what it's doing is it's that point, A2 P10 is looking for a smoke detector, and that's what it's going to transmit into Central Station. Now remember, it's not 0.100. We'll save this here. It's not 0.100. If you go back to here, smoke 100, right? Okay. ACS mapping was in 2, and we made that, oh, it is 9 and 10. Okay, so we made 0.100 detector, so that's 0.9, and then what you do is you go back into the zones, and then you're gonna go to this board here. Change these around. Smoke and pull. Get this right here. Okay. When you click on it, this 0.9, if you look here, right up top, this right here tells you what zone it is in for Central Station. It says point address at Central Station. So Central Station, that's going to be 0.65. Okay? That pull station, 0.10, is going to be zone 66. So it gets kind of confusing when Central Station's looking at zones and stuff, because on the smaller panels you have to add the, I believe it's the 159 or 160 to your modules. In this case you don't. It just tells you what point it actually is on. So then when you download, you have to download the whole thing, the whole system into the UDAC. It is the tamper switch or dip switch 2. It's got to be turned on to download and upload, and then when you're done, flip it back to its normal state. Hope this helps. Any questions? I can try to walk you through it, but that is how you program a UDAC 2 with a 3030.